2014 Hyundai Sonata limited sedan with the 2.4. We're going to show you all where the blower motor resistor is. See that little slot there? It's got two screws. You take those two screws out, and it goes right there. Here's the original manufacturer one. Looks like it's due for a change. We're having the problem where the AC wants to cut off. That includes no air coming through the vents. Then when you restart the car and turn it back on, AC will continue to work fine. Especially if it's not working when you turn the car on, or if it is, sometimes you can turn the AC off, turn it back on, sometimes it will work. So we're going to change the resistor first to verify that the resistor is not the problem. Make sure mine's a 4-pin. This is what it should look like. I'm thinking due to the corrosion on this, it looks like it's just had its day. So what you need is, you need a 12mm socket. It doesn't have to be deep. Take those two bolts out, pop this out a little bit so you can get your hand in there a little better. And you need a long screwdriver to get that one screw out in the left-hand corner, which is a Phillips. You be smart. Put this screw back in here. Slide it in the hole. Well, this cable can be a pain in the ass too. Okay, once you get the two screws in, please be sure when you get that last screw in the corner, you got to hold up on it at the same time while putting that screw in back there. Once you get it tight and in there, you take this plug, this 4-pin, make sure it's upwards. And push it in until it clicks. Then when you get done, you gotta put these 10mm screws back in there, the ones that have the orange markings on them. You want to put them back in there. Once you get everything hooked back in, and there you go. That's all you do. And just be sure you put these two screws back up here, and put the ones back there on the floorboard, and you're all set. That's how you locate and change a blower motor resistor on a 2014 Hyundai Sonata Limited Edition with the 2.4. Thanks, and have a great one.